Hey, what is going on, guys? Going to show you how to get through the setup process when you first get your Amazon Fire HD. This is an 8-inch tablet here. I got the one in yellow. Anyways, when you first power this up, you get this down here. By default, it's on English. You can go ahead and tap it and choose your actual language. I'll keep it on English. Go ahead and click on continue. And then from here, you want to go ahead and set up your Wi-Fi. So find your Wi-Fi network here. Put in the password. And then click on connect. Now it says just 1 second, updating your Fire here. We can see the progress bar right here is downloading the updates. Now it is installing. So let's wait for this to install. Then we get to the screen here. Register your Fire using the existing Amazon account to get access to a large selection of digital content. If you want to go ahead and do that, I will put in my Amazon account username, user email, as well as the password here. After you put in your password, then we can just swipe down and go ahead and click on continue here. It says waiting just a sec. It's checking for saved backups. You have your Fire options here. You can check. By default, they're all checked. You can leave it like this, or you can uncheck the ones you don't want. I'm fine with all of this, so I'm going to go ahead and click on continue here. And now I'm going to go ahead and update. So tap on this, or you can update later. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and update it right now. See the progress bar here. Let's wait till that gets done. Once this is done downloading, it's automatically going to restart. So we still got a long way to go here. All right, we're just about almost done. 5% to go now. All right, finally, now it says installing updates. Please wait. Android system update, preparing to update. You can see the status bar on here now. And now it is rebooting here. Installing system update. We can see another status bar right there. All right, looks like it's rebooting again. And finally, we are back in right now. And now it says checking for software updates. Please wait. And voila. And then once that's done, from here you can enable Alexa or you can disable it. I'm going to go ahead and disable it, mine for now. You can always go back later at a later time. Anyways, for now, I'll just go ahead and disable Alexa. You can also make this kid-friendly here if you wish to basically continue to create a child profile. I'm not going to do it now. I can always go back and do it later. Okay, so click on continue here. I'm going to go ahead and not now with this as well. And now it says creating your custom offers. I'm going to click on no thanks here. No thanks. And not now for this. Not now. And voila, guys. We are in business. Okay, so the next thing that you may want to do is put in a password or a PIN code, okay? So this way, like there's no security on here. Anybody can go right into it. So if you want to set up a password or a PIN, just go ahead and slide up, and we want to go to settings right here. Tap on settings right there, and then from here we want to go to security and privacy right here. Security and privacy. Tap on that, and then right here it says lock screen passcode. Okay, so go ahead and toggle this on. Toggle this on. And then from here we can do a PIN, which is a 4 characters, or we can do a password, make something more complicated. I'm just going to keep mine at a PIN here, and I have to enter it twice, okay? So let me enter it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on finish here, like this. Now, every time I lock my tablet here, and I put it back on, I'm not going to be able to get into it right away. I have to go ahead and put in my my PIN here. Now, one more thing that you may want to go ahead and download right away. I just did it right now, but it doesn't come pre-installed with a YouTube app like right here. What you can do is if you want to make things easier rather than trying to download the the Android Google Play Store and then downloading YouTube from there, what you can do an easier way is basically the Amazon's YouTube app is you can just go right into the App Store here, go into the App Store and just type in YouTube app. Just do a search for it like that. And then click on search right here. And then let it find it. And then from here, you want to go ahead and download it. And it's a free download as well. So anyways, you can see I have mine right here. So that's pretty much it. You guys should be up and running. Any questions or anything, just let me know. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.